Hey cuties, it's Riverdale. Let's go. So I started off by making some corned beef sandwich because as a Jamaican, we can't go river or beach without make some sandwich. I don't know why, it just in our blood. So this was my first time going to this river, and guys, it was a whole vibe. To get there was a little bit struggle, but once you reach, you felt like you was in Jamaica. Nobody couldn't tell me so Connecticut me day. No. Then I explore the river a little bit, girls. TikTok I go flag you for them will ask there today. Yeah. After the running round and round the river, girl get hungry, go in her little cute basket. Alright, that's what she. Grab some sandwich and a Heineken. Sit down and enjoy the scenery. Have a bite. Me and my mother watch her over there so. Anyway, sip on a Heineken. Cheers to us. Yes, my love. Then up on a blouse and skirt rock my climb. Dig out the wall of my foot, but guess what? Anything for the content, right? No, back up. Not anything for the content. Anyway, a girl could not get down off of the rock after. It was a whole struggle coming down off this rock, trust me. But anyway, the full vlog is up on my YouTube channel. Watch mommy, nice and cutie. Yes, the vlog. Look where we're riding, Uchi. Yes. Anyway, guys, the full vlog is on my YouTube channel. Go and check it out. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.